Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to log in and play together. First, ensure your device is connected to a stable internet source, ideally with a speed of at least 25 megabits per second for optimal performance. Next, locate the Play Together application or website on your device. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable experience with your friends. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started right away. Once the application is open, you'll need to access your account. If you're new, select the Sign Up option and follow the prompts to create a new profile, which usually takes less than 2 minutes. Existing users should choose Login and enter their username and password. Sometimes, a verification code sent to your email or phone is required for security, ensuring your account remains safe. With your account ready, it's time to connect with others. Look for options like Join Game or Create Room on the main screen. To join, you might need a specific 6-digit game code from a friend, or you can browse public lobbies. If you're hosting, create a new room and then invite your friends using their unique player ID, typically found in their profile. Now that everyone is in the lobby, confirm that all participants are ready to begin. The host can then press the Start Game button, usually located at the bottom of the screen, to launch the session. During gameplay, utilize the built-in communication tools, such as text chat or voice chat, to coordinate with your teammates. Enjoy collaborating and having fun with your friends in your shared experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.